Good morning. This is a video on standard security market terms you should know in case if you aspire to be working in a capital market, stock market, share market, or even mutual fund related industries. So few questions are listed out here. Question number one, what is security market and what are its different types? It is a market where securities are issued and traded. These securities can be government securities, money market securities, corporate securities, and the market is divided into three different markets: debt markets, equity market, as well as derivative market. What are different types of equity markets? Equity markets are broadly primary and secondary market, wherein in primary market the public issue, that is IPO, takes place, rights issue takes place, private placements take place, wherein in the secondary market the people can actually buy and sell the securities that they own. So we have question number three. What are the different securities traded in the market? Different financial instruments or securities are equity securities, debt securities, as well as derivatives, which is like an underlying of a security. Question number four, what are equity shares? Equity shares are long-term financing sources of any company. Equity shares are issued to general public, so each shareholder is considered as part owner of the company. He has voting rights. He can share profits via dividends of the company as and when they issue it. Question number five, what are the two types of share capital? We have equity share capital and preference share capital, wherein equity share capital, represent the ownership in a company. Preference share capital has preferential rights over the profits of and the assets of the company in case of its winding up. Preference shareholders do not have voting rights, while the equity shareholders do have voting rights. Question number six, what do you understand by a DEMAT account? It is basically a short form for dematerialization of securities. The securities being kept in the electronic format, which is mandatory now for you to be dealing in the stock market or buying and selling in the stock market. And the last question for the video, question number seven, what is the difference between DEMAT and the trading account? The trading accounts allows you to buy and sell the stocks, while the DEMAT account allows you the safe custody of the securities, using which you cannot buy or sell the shares. For buying and selling, trading account is mandatory. DEMAT account can only store or hold your stocks in the portfolio. Thank you for watching.